Body Transformation Workout, Fat to Fit. Are you looking to go from fat to fit with proven body transformation workouts right from your home? In this video, I will share 6 exercises that will transform your body and completely change how you feel about yourself. Workouts or exercises are the best ways to shed your excess fat and enjoy a leaner, fitter body. That might seem daunting, but exercising for weight loss need not be complicated and time-consuming. There are workouts you can do at home within just a few minutes a day. Here are 6 of the most effective exercises that will transform your body from fat to fit in no time. 1. Flying lunges. Stand with your feet firmly planted on the ground and around hip-width apart. Take a big step forward with your right foot and lower yourself down into a lunge. Jump off the ground and switch your legs positions in midair so that you land in a lunge position with your left foot forward and your right foot behind you. Jump up again and switch back to the other side. Keep jumping and switching between both sides until you have completed 20 flying lunges. 2. Plank jacks. On a mat, get on the floor and shift to a high plank position where your arms are straightened out below your shoulders and your palms are firmly planted on the mat. Keep your toes on the mat and engage your core to keep your body as stiff as a plank. Maintain your high plank position as you jump your feet up and kick both legs out to the side with your toes landing just off the mat on each side. Jump up again and kick your feet back so you're back in your original high plank position. Kick your legs out and in at a steady pace until you've completed 20 plank jacks. 3. Squat thrusts. Start in a standing position where your feet are about hip-width apart. Lower yourself into a squat. As you reach your lowest position, bend down to place your palms on the ground in front of you. Jump your feet back so you end up in a high plank position. Jump your feet towards your palms and straighten yourself up to an upright position before jumping straight up. As your feet land on the ground, lower yourself back into a squat and repeat the entire sequence. Keep repeating this compound movement until you've completed 10 squat thrusts. 4. Single leg deadlift with knee-ups. Start in a standing position where your feet are around hip-width apart and your arms are relaxed at your sides. In one smooth movement, bend down while your right foot is firmly planted on the ground and your left leg swings behind you. As you do this, lower your arms so your fingers reach the sides of your ankles. Swing your left leg forward in as you bend your knee and take it as close as you can to your chest. Lower yourself back down and repeat until you've completed 10 right leg deadlifts with knee-ups. Switch sides and complete 10 left leg deadlifts with knee-ups. 5. Bulgarian split squats. Find a sturdy chair or bench that is around knee-high. Stand approximately 2 steps in front of it. Plant your right foot firmly on the ground while you lift your leg so that your toes are on the edge of the bench behind you. Lower yourself into a squat and hold your lowest position for 2 seconds before straightening yourself back up. Repeat until you've completed 10 Bulgarian split squats on one side. Switch legs and do the same until you've completed another 10 Bulgarian split squats on the other side. 6. Knee-ups on a chair. Stand right in front of a sturdy bench or chair. Step your right foot on the chair while keeping your left foot firmly planted on the ground. Shift all your weight to your right foot as you lift your left leg and bend your knee in front of you. Lower yourself back down while keeping your right foot on the chair. Repeat until you've completed 10 knee-ups with your left leg. Switch legs and do the same thing until you've completed another 10 knee-ups with your right leg. These exercises are incredibly effective in engaging large parts of your body. When done correctly, these exercises will enable you to work out several muscle groups at a time, and that will allow you to burn fat more quickly. Do all workouts daily, or choose the ones you like and watch your body transform from fat to fit in just a few weeks. Note, these exercises are highly effective in toning the body and burning fat. However, you will struggle to reach your goal if your diet is lacking, so please pay close attention to a healthy diet, because it will make your job a lot easier and your plan much easier to reach. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.